Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI Image Extender in PhotoDirector 365. So here is a square image I generated using AI, and I wanted to extend it so that it is a landscape image. So I use PhotoDirector AI Image Extender, and this is one of the versions that PhotoDirector generated. And here is another version. I find this feature very useful, so let me show you how to use this. In the new version of PhotoDirector 365, you'll see these options when you open the app. Click on Gen AI Studio option, and it'll open PhotoDirector in Gen AI Studio mode. In the Transform section, choose Extend, and then click on Start Now. You'll see this dialog box. Click on Import Photo, and I'll choose from local drive to import the image from my computer. I'll navigate to my folder in File Explorer. I'll choose my image and then click Open. So here is the image. I'll click on Continue, and it will then start processing the image. So it's going to take a few seconds and then bring you to this page. In the left side panel, I'll choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is landscape mode, and then click on Generate. It'll then start generating the new landscape image. Now this can take a few minutes depending on the image, and so just give it a few seconds, actually, not minutes. And as you can see, this is one of the images that it generated. And here is another version of the image. You can then use this button to download the image, but that's pretty much it. Here again is the first version of the image that it generated in landscape mode, and then here is the second version of the image. Now before I wrap up, I just want to make a quick note. So here is another image that I tried. It's a graphic rather than a photo. And here is the result when I use the Extend Image option. And as you can see, it didn't do a good job. It's only added like a gray background. So this will only work better like on photos rather than graphics, at least as of now. If you want to try PhotoDirector, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.